Thank you for having me here. It's a really great honor to be here and to be able to speak about investigative journalism. I will take advantage of the presentation that Dragos Stanca had before because he had a very short video of Yuval Harari speaking about trust. So the reason why we are here is because we want to preserve the trust that the audience needs to have in journalism and especially in investigative journalism. Because we live now in an era of disinformation, fake information, half-truths, and it's always difficult to preserve this kind of truth if you're not honest to the public that you're addressing to. So, like I said, we have the responsibility to tell the truth as much we have the responsibility to discover this information and to unveil it. So, together with Andrei and with our colleague Alexandra, we thought about building a tool that will help us do the fact-checking for the investigation that we are publishing. RISE project is investing a lot of time in the editorial, so we spend a lot of time in identifying the topics, do the field, reporting, editing, but fact-checking, it's a very thorough process that all newsrooms should apply when publishing a story. Because building trust, it takes ages. Losing it is just like this. So the tool that we are trying to build is to automatize the system that we are using now, because when we are finishing editing the story looks like a PhD study. So each and every footnote needs to be analyzed by a special employee, my colleague, which is Roxana. It's very difficult for her to identify all the information because once you provide the information, that information needs to be fact-checked and needs to be contained in a document, either if it's PDF or video or photo. So, Andrei, can you please explain a bit the process?
This work?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So actually, they lose a lot of time. Journalists lose crucial time trying to verify facts in a report. So what we did was to parse those references and try to implement a mechanism to verify the claims in your report. Should I go on? Okay. So under the hood, we use embeddings and vector search. So in very simple words, we take pieces of text and transform them into sequences of numbers. And for example, if you want to verify a claim, let's say the red claim, we just have to compare the numerical values. So if the values are close, it means that our pieces of text mean similar ideas. Look at the red text and the green text. And if the numbers are far away from each other, it means they don't mean similar ideas. So this is the current state of our application. This is how it looks. This is what you get after you upload your report on our app. So on the left side, you have your list of references. In the middle, you have the original document. And in the right side, you have some statistics about the progress. So you can scroll through your document. And actually, you can see how the validation process goes on. So here, we can look at the color, and we have the ability to click on the reference. By clicking the reference number 4, in the left side, we get the exact document and the exact passage that supports this claim. So as you can see, color means that everything went okay. Red means that we didn't find anything similar. And yellow means that we found something, but we are not really sure. So actually, yellow means that a human is needed for further validation. So there are still a lot of things to do from a technical point of view, but our vision is to launch the app and make it the largest platform checking in Romania dedicated to journalists and entirely free for journalists. So in order to achieve this, we are looking for a partner that can give us scalable access to compute, either in form of credits or access to various servers. So that was everything. If you trust in our journey, will be right in the networking area ready to discuss. So thank you very much.